Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a poll right here in SurveyMonkey. So we want to create a survey, so we go to the top and click on create survey. Then we do right here start from scratch, that is fine. And then first thing that we're going to do is we change the title to create a poll, just for example. Then we do center aligned and then we do save. Then right now we need to start to create a question. So we do something like, what is your favorite sport? Something like that. Then we do this. Then what we're going to do is we fill in right here tennis. Let's fill in right here kickboxing. Then we fill in right here soccer. Soccer. And we do, whatever. I don't know. Let's do something like paddle. I don't know if you ever heard of that sport, but it's a nice sport. Then we do right here save. And then you see right here a question with what is your favorite sport? Now we can click right here on one question and then you can fill that one in. So let's go right here to save and then we do publish survey. And then right now, if you copy this link and we go right here to this page, you see right here that we created a nice poll where people can give their favorite sport. So this is how you can create a poll right here in SurveyMonkey. If you want to add more questions or more polls, we can go back. And then what we're going to do is click right here on add content and a new question. And then you can create another one. So this is in a nutshell how you can create a poll right here in SurveyMonkey. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.